Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to change the white background in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to Design, and here, go to Page Color. Now you can select one of these colors, or you can click on More Colors for a custom color. Let's select this one, for example. Then click on OK. You can also click on Fill Effects. To change the effect, you can select Gradient Effect, on Texture Effect, Pattern Effect, or a Picture Effect. To add the picture, just click on Select Pictures. Then select a picture from a file. Search for a picture or upload a picture from your OneDrive. So let's select a picture from here. Click on the picture, then click on Insert. Then click on OK. And if you want to remove the background color, just go to Page Color again and select No Color. And once you're done, let's select the color first. And once you're done, just go to File, go to Save or Save As to save your document, and then select the location where you want to save your document. Change the name of your document, select the type, and then click on Save. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.